What's going on, guys? It's K from Beyond the Box, back with another video. And if you guys are new, we're still doing the giveaway for the Oculus Quest 2, now called the Meta Quest 2 at 20,000 subscribers. We're getting close. Make sure you subscribed if you haven't, because even if you don't win, we're giving a PS5 away at 30,000 subscribers. So make sure you're entered to win. Hit that bell icon so you're alerted to all my videos whenever we post. Eventually, we'll be giving both items away, and we're gonna be giving away another item at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Now, if you guys have seen my Steam Deck video, you know that I did not believe that the Steam Deck was perfect. It's a great item. It's a handheld pocket computer. Who doesn't want that? But it has its problems. There's no way to make this stand up by itself. I don't understand why Valve didn't implement a kickstand in the back just like a Nintendo Switch does. That would have been a really nice touch to the Steam Deck. So kudos on not doing that, Valve. But anyway, with that said, Jsaux reached out to me, and they sent me their case for the Steam Deck. And I don't usually like using cases on my products, but I gotta say, guys, I think I love this case. It doesn't add too much weight. It's very thin. It's made of a thin plastic and a rubbery type of material. It's got the kickstand in the back, so that way you're able to play. If you bring an extra controller with you wherever you go, you're able to turn this into a desktop mode, basically, essentially, and play with a controller. That's great. Sometimes we don't want to use the controls on the Steam Deck, and it's better to plug in maybe a keyboard and mouse or a controller, which would be awesome. Lucky for us, Valve has been pretty accommodating when it's come to the Steam Deck community. So they don't have their official Steam Deck USB Type-C dock out yet to turn your Steam Deck into your own home computer, but that's okay because Valve's cool and they said you can use whatever Steam Deck dock that you want. And this is a third-party one by Jsaux, but it's gonna work just as well. So that's the great thing about Steam Deck. Unlike a lot of other companies that are gonna force you to use their official products, Valve is pretty helpful with their customer base and allows you to get whatever you need. They've been pretty supportive when it's come to updating the Steam Deck over the past few months, but the Steam Deck is still sold out, and I also have a Q3 pre-order that I still have not received yet. So everything's backed up, probably due to the manufacturing issues with the chip shortage and all that. But here is the Jsaux dock. So this is gonna work for you guys as your dock hub for the Steam Deck. As long as you aim a little bit to the right, you can use the dock and the case at the same time. And this does come with an L-shaped USB Type-C cord, so that way you're gonna be able to plug it into the top, just like the official one will come with later on whenever that releases. So when it comes to ports, you're gonna find two USB Type 2 ports, an Ethernet port on the side here, and a 100-watt power pass-through. You're not gonna have to worry about it not getting enough power because the Steam Deck officially supports only a maximum of 45 watts per hour. That's over double. You're not gonna have to worry about the Steam Deck not getting enough power. It's great because here's the power, here's the monitor output for you, and then you can plug in a keyboard and a mouse at the same time. Turn this into your own home deck. So as long as you got a power cable, it doesn't come with a power cable to plug into the USB Type-C, but you get your own USB Type-C cable. You have full access to your volume up and down rocker, your headphone jack, your USB Type-C, and your power button. It's really easy to access, and you got the memory card slot down there for you to check out in case you want to pull out your memory card. They've thought of everything, and it's really easy to get the case on and off. And I hate some of those cases that it takes forever and it's impossible to take off, but like I said, Jsaux has made it really easy for everybody, and this is the ultimate case for the Steam Deck, in my opinion. Forget other brands because you're not gonna find a better case that's gonna be able to protect your Steam Deck for a better price, and a Steam Deck dock that's gonna be a better price than this. By the way, guys, I forgot to mention, Jsaux sent me two of these, so one of you lucky subscribers is gonna win this. Just let me know in the comments below that you wanna win, and tell me why you should win. Let me know if you got a Steam Deck. Comment whatever you want related to the giveaway, and I'll pick a winner when I get a chance. I think it's pretty cool. I think it just turned the Steam Deck into the ultimate mobile gaming device. I didn't really understand why Valve didn't drop a kickstand on the back of their device. Look at that, isn't that great? People have said the case doesn't fit with the dock. I think it works just fine. If you're cool with making it sit off to the side like that, you gotta do what you gotta do. But it's super portable. I believe this entire thing is great for anybody who wants to travel with it. If you want to bring your setup with you, as long as you got a monitor or like a mobile flat screen or something you could use to plug into a HDMI cable back here, it's gonna work just fine. But yeah, guys, that's the video. The Jsaux dock is going to turn your Steam Deck into your own mobile home computer. You have full freedom at this point. You don't have to wait for Valve to put out its own dock, and this is only $40 on their website. And the case, which I really enjoy and I really love, and I'm never going to be really taking this case off, is only $20 on their website. I'm gonna have both linked in the description below, so make sure you check them out and leave a comment and let me know what you guys think of your Steam Deck so far. It's been about 3 months since we've had them, and let me know what you think about picking these items up. Personally, I like all my tech products to be going commando. I pretty much leave them naked, except maybe a phone sometimes. Just depends on how slippery the iPhone is. And I really like this case. I'm not making that up. Like, I will use this probably for the rest of my days owning a Steam Deck, unless they come out with an even better case that does better functionality. But that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that thumbs up. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. We're giving that Oculus Quest 2 away at 20,000 subscribers, and we're giving that PS5 away at 30,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys are subscribed, hit that bell icon so you're always alerted to all my new videos. Let me know if you learned something new, if you're gonna pick one of these items up. I'm really interested to hear what you guys think of these. This is one of the first docks on the market for the Steam Deck, so I'm excited for you guys to get your hands on it. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.